Hello, let's discuss about twin studies. Twin studies are research foundational method to separate genetics and environmental factors. According to some researchers, traits are carried out by genetics primarily and environment plays a secondary role. These factors contribute to the craniofacial growth and dental development. The importance of twin studies and the influence of environment are stressed out by Galton in the year 1874. These studies are carried out in both identical as well as non-identical twins. These help the orthodontist to pinpoint which malocclusion are heavily influenced by hereditary and which all are influenced by environment. So, how are twins formed? So, human twins are of two types, monozygomatic twins and dizygomatic twins. Monozygomatic twins are two individuals who are formed from a single ovum or egg, which later on develops into two at a later stage of time. They are identical and they share same genetic makeup, that is 100% similar DNA. Dizygomatic twins are fraternal twins or non-identical twins in which two individuals are formed from two different ovum or egg which are fertilized by two sperms at the same time. They are just like any brothers and sisters who share same intrauterine life. So what is the concept behind twin studies? Twin studies gives us the disease occurrence involving the twins. It estimates the heritability, that is, if the genetic factors if it is the causative factor, it will be involved in both the twins. The twins who share similar characters are said to be concordant, and which share dissimilar traits are said to be discordant. That is, monozygomatic twins are said to be concordant, that is, they share the same genetic makeup. But if they show dissimilar characters, that means that they are heavily dominated by the influence of environment. So what does this reveal? The twin study mainly revealed that the genetic coordination, that the genetic variation or the genetic factors are responsible for the tooth size, tooth shape, arch width, arch length and occlusal traits. Identical twins do not have occlusal traits identical. So that means they are influenced by the environment. So why does this matter? Why does twin study matter to clinical orthodontics? It matters because it gives us an idea about the treatment timing, growth prediction as well as relapse and stability. So as to conclude this, twin study gives us a means of understanding of genetic coordination to the growth and development of an individual, meaning the genetic contribute to the structure of the jaw, but it do not give the alignment of shaping of the teeth. The alignment and shaping are purely responsible by the influence of environment. You cannot change the blueprint of your genes, but with early orthodontic care, you can successfully guide your environment to achieve a healthy, beautiful smile. Thank you.